accessory packages. We have a few of them. You can take a look online in our catalog, but pretty much what's unique about all of them is our hoses and tools are fully grounded and bonded. So when you receive your hose, you're going to see that each of the hose has a metal barb on either side. That's going to be where you do your continuity test. You're going to want to check continuity occasionally to make sure that the ground system inside of the hose is sound. It's going to come with a button lock fitting. This is going to be important to fit it into the inlet of your vacuum. This is an 1.5-inch hose kit. So to put this, you want to make sure that this metal piece is making contact. So it goes on a little hard at first, but once you get it in there, it's not going to pull off. So you want that to be a nice tight fit. What you're going to do with this button lock piece is you're going to depress the first one and you're going to put it into the inlet. You're going to see that that fits nicely in our inlet and it swivels around. Now you have the hose. From the end of the hose, depends on what kit you come with, you can use just one of our crevice tools. Again, you're going to push this in and you're going to want to make sure it goes all the way in so that's getting continuity right here on the metal on metal. So this is full continuity from here to line ground if you ever want to test it. So you have a crevice tool. We also have a popular dust brush. This is a metal body dust brush with carbon impregnated bristles. And then when it comes to the floor tool, you have a wand. This is a 2-piece wand system that you're going to get. You're going to see that this also button locks in the middle. Simply put it together. That wand is not going to come apart. This end right here is what's going to go into the end of the hose. Again, you push it in to make continuity. And this is the tool end. This is going to be the end that you're going to put your floor tool in. Depending on which floor tool you got, this one is got conductive bristles, food grade bristles. Brush only is a really good cleaning tool. You're going to take this out. Now I want to show you this tool a little bit. There's a copper C-clip in here. You want to make sure that this copper C-clip is actually inside of here when you put that on. What's happening when you turn this and you put tension on this, you're actually going to see that this is going to squeeze itself around the tool that's here. So what you do is you put that on all the way. I tighten it up. I can tighten it all the way where it doesn't move, and then you just give it a little backhand turn like this, and now you have full mobility on that tool. So you can cover a lot of ground at any angle you want. You just, again, you tighten that all the way up, and then you just back it off a quarter turn, and that tool will spin, but it will not come out. So that's another popular tool, and then we have our conductive rubber tool. This tool, when you get it out of the box, it does have adjustable wheels on it, so you'll be able to adjust the wheels. It comes with squeegees on it, but in the box it also comes with conductive bristles. So you can go ahead and you can undo these bolts and you can change these to bristles if you want. And very important, you're going to want to make sure that you take this little piece out because this is what's going to push into the tool. And once you push this into the tool, that's going to be the piece that locks on to our wand like we just showed you on the other tool. So this is going to be how you assemble that tool. All of these are part of one of our different packages that we have. We have other accessories you'll see here. We've been showing you the tool basket that can mount it to the machine. Some of the machines you can put a hose hanger on there. So on the opposite side of the machine, we'd have a hose hanger where you can put the hose. And then we have our tool bag. Our tool bag is a heavy duty, made in America canvas bag. This is all got a nice zipper on it. You can fill this up with a couple different hoses in here. We put 3-inch hose up to 25 feet long in here, along with all your different accessories. Once that's full, you can simply put this around the handlebar. And it's designed where you can push this machine around and you'll notice it's not dragging on the floor. So that bag can be filled with all your tools and hoses and still fit around the handlebar of your portable vacuum. So this has been a review of Ruwac's explosion-proof accessories.